Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Your ultimate protector on the road. This 4-channel dash cam features a 150 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens on each channel, providing a 360-degree view to monitor the front, inside, and rear of the car simultaneously. Record in 1080p resolution on all 4 channels, or a combination of 2K for the front and 1080p for the inside. The included 64GB SD card and loop recording mode automatically overwrite the oldest footage after 3 minutes, except when the G sensor detects a collision, helping to protect important videos. With advanced night vision technology, an f1.8 aperture, and a 6-layer optical lens, the camera ensures sharp details at night. When the engine is turned off, the camera automatically switches to parking mode with continuous recording. Installation is easy with a detailed guide, and the app allows viewing, downloading, and sharing of recordings over Wi-Fi on iOS and Android devices. Plus, voice control makes it simple to take photos, start video, and switch audio or Wi-Fi, keeping you focused on the road. Embrace a new era of roadside confidence with this innovative lithium battery jump starter, an all-in-one marvel merging 10 functions into a truly portable device. Not only a powerful car jumper, it doubles as a tire pump, pressure gauge, power bank with PD45W fast charging, 4-mode emergency light, and includes insulated gloves. With a 6000A output and dual force start function, it revives drained or low-voltage batteries in temperatures from -20 degrees to 60 degrees, with extended cables reaching all battery terminals. Designed for 24-month standby and over 1,000 recharge cycles, it lets you start your vehicle without roadside aid. Smart presets, pressure detection, and auto shut-off ensure safe operation, while its turbo 45 min pump inflates tires to 25 psi in 2 minutes. A sunlight-readable screen shows real-time data, making this jump starter your reliable all-weather companion for every adventure. Experience a breath of fresh air wherever you are with the composite air purifier, a sleek, versatile solution that transforms any space. Equipped with a powerful 3-stage filtration system featuring a pre-filter, H13 true HEPA filter, and high-efficiency activated carbon filter, it effectively removes dust, pet dander, pollen, smoke, and odors, ensuring cleaner, healthier air. Its 360 degrees air intake and robust motor refresh up to 140 feet square in 25 minutes and 300 feet square in 60 minutes. With a single button control for power and fan speed, plus a built-in handle for portability, this purifier is your ideal travel companion. Additional features include a 5-hour timer, filter lifetime indicator, and an optional blue night light that can be turned off for uninterrupted sleep. Complete with a USB-C charging cable and backed by a 2-year warranty, the composite air purifier is designed to keep your air fresh wherever life takes you. Experience the ultimate in-car convenience with the HaloLock magnetic wireless car charger, designed exclusively for iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 series, and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, S25, when used with an official or ESR magnetic case. Engineered for peak performance, its intelligent heat management delivers charging speeds nearly on par with official MagSafe chargers, while powerful magnets boasting a 1,000 of 1,400 grams holding force and a non-slip silicone ring keep your phone secure even on bumpy roads. An official MagSafe or ESR HaloLock case is recommended for rough terrain. Easily switch between portrait and landscape with one hand, thanks to its user-friendly design, and enjoy enhanced stability provided by a robust vent clip and support arm. Make sure you have everything you need for a smooth and connected trip. Step into a world of renewable freedom with our state-of-the-art solar panel, meticulously engineered to charge and maintain 12-volt rechargeable batteries. perfect for keeping seldom-used vehicles, boats, outdoor gadgets, and lawnmowers ever ready. It safeguards batteries from long-term discharge, so your devices start without a hitch. Featuring advanced monocrystalline cells, it outpaces traditional polycrystalline and amorphous panels by charging faster, while an integrated controller automatically halts charging at full capacity and resumes only when needed, ensuring your battery is never drained. Monitor your system with ease and rely on its fully sealed IP67 waterproof design to brave all weather conditions. Lightweight and flexible, it comes with suction cups and carabiners for effortless installation on car windows or wherever you need to harness the sun's power. Discover the future of item tracking with MyTag for Android, a Google-certified location tracker that syncs seamlessly with the Find My app. Attach this smart tracker to your keys, wallet, bag, or even a favorite toy, and effortlessly locate them using a real-time proximity display and a dynamic ripple effect that guides you like a digital compass. Fully tested and optimized by Google Labs, MyTag lets you see your item's location on Google Maps when it's out of Bluetooth range, with updates every 2 to 3 minutes in busy areas. Within range, trigger a loud ring or use voice commands for instant detection. Pairing is a breeze. Simply activate MyTag near your Android phone and let the secure, encrypted network do the rest. Plus, with waterproof durability for up to 30 minutes underwater and an 8 to 12-month battery life, MyTag is the ultimate peace-of-mind companion for your everyday adventures. Embrace a new horizon of dashboard brilliance with the Wolfbox G840H Mirror Dashcam. Showcasing an expansive 11.8-inch screen and a high-performance processor, this device elevates your journey with stunning front 2.5K and rear 1080p resolution, without the overheating woes of other high-res models. Its cutting-edge QVBR encoding slashes bitrate by 30% while preserving image quality, and the ultra-transparent optical glass mirror minimizes glare for crystal-clear visuals. The f1.55 and f1.8 lenses, enhanced by WDR and advanced 3D denoising, capture every detail in challenging light from bright tunnels to nighttime drives. Supplied with a 32GB card and GPS module, it logs your direction, speed, and position for vital accident evidence. With loop recording that automatically overwrites old files, a G sensor that locks collision footage, a parking monitor for off-duty security, and reverse assist that shifts views when in reverse, the G840H is your indispensable co-pilot on every adventure. Ultimate in car organization with the Fortem Premium Trunk Storage Organizer, a masterfully engineered solution designed to transform clutter into order. Reinforced with rigid base plates that support every side panel, this organizer boasts multiple side pockets and up to 3 compartments, with a waterproof lower half to protect your valuables. Non-slip strips and adjustable straps with metal hooks secure it firmly in your trunk, while tight mesh siding and elastic pockets hold smaller items in place. With interlocking buckles, you can even connect multiple organizers for extra space. Whether you're storing groceries, office supplies, kids' toys, or camp gear, this collapsible organizer easily moves from the trunk to the back seat, front seat, or center. Its foldable, detachable lid keeps your items out of sight for added security, making it a perfect fit for any large truck, SUV, or sedan. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a full-year warranty. Introducing the IF742 Car Scanner Diagnostic Tool, your ultimate at-home automotive maintenance partner that delivers comprehensive diagnostics for engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems. With 6 essential reset functions including oil light, ABS brake bleed, battery reset, EPB reset, throttle relearn, and steering angle calibration, this advanced tool empowers you to perform routine maintenance without costly garage trips. Unlike typical engine-only scanners, the IF742 offers full system coverage, providing in-depth insights that help detect issues early and save on repairs. It supports full OB2 functions such as reading and clearing codes, live data, freeze frames, IM readiness, and evap tests. The user-friendly design features a bright 7-inch screen and secure tactile buttons, ensuring a smooth, reliable diagnostic experience for every vehicle owner. Elevate your driving experience with this premium steering wheel cover. Meticulously designed for mid-sized wheels between 14.5-inch and 15-inch. Universally compatible with most vehicles, it slips on effortlessly, transforming your car's interior with style and comfort. The cover's luxurious microfiber leather exterior meets a soft, odor-free rubber inner lining, offering a breathable, velvety touch that keeps your hands dry, even on the hottest days or coldest rides. Its heat-resistant, cold-resistant, and wear-resistant qualities ensure enduring performance, while the anti-slip design on both the outer and inner rings delivers a secure grip, giving you enhanced control on the road. Not only does it protect your steering wheel, but it also adds a unique decor element to your car, making every drive a statement in elegance. Immerse yourself in an unparalleled audio journey with the DY Bluetooth car adapter, designed to deliver CD-like quality sound through innovative CVC noise suppression that cuts out background clamor for rich, deep bass, and crystal-clear vocals. Its built-in microphone with echo cancellation makes hands-free calling effortless, ensuring your focus remains on the road. Enjoy seamless connectivity via Bluetooth 5.0, while an SD card slot, USB port, and 3.5mm aux output let you play music or audiobooks in formats like MP3, FLAC, and WAV. With support for Siri and Google Assistant, control your calls, texts, and navigation with simple voice commands. A spacious 1.8-inch rotating LED screen displays phone calls, FM channels, and even your car's battery power, all managed by large intuitive buttons and a 21-key remote that keep your drive safe and distraction-free.